Hello guys, so today we are gonna make
Would you rather be invincible or able to fly?
yeah, we are
The ability to fly would be
shut up and pancakes. This is gonna be a yummy pancake. Okay, grab an apple, green apple, mix. Grab a yellow banana, mix. And grab 3 strawberries. 1, 2, 3. 3 red spoons. No, 4 blueberries. I think I have 5. No, I have blue. Take berries and 1 chocolate. Mix. Okay. Now 3 pink cherries. Mix. Now I'm gonna add pineapple. Mix. I'm gonna not add carrot, not tomato, not sauce, not fish, not onion, no garlic, and not worms. Okay, now I'm gonna add some white colored milk. A little more. Now for food to white, we need to add some colors in it. How about chocolate? Chocolate milk. Okay, make a little white. Still looks the same color, but that's okay. Double chocolate. No cook. Time for cookies. Taste them. Okay, now. Another big pinch. See? More. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna add 5 of these. Okay. Cook. It's yummy. It's gonna be a yummy treat for the Tom friends. Okay, cook. Move it over. Move it over again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Not the last one. Okay. Move it over. Move it over again, and then we made ourselves a little pancake. Now add some tomato sauce and some. Oh no! Let me add this and some chocolate sauce. Yum! Now add a cherry on top. Okay, it's done. This is a treat for you. is a treat for you. And this is a treat for you. They all liked it. Okay, now if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to push that like button and smash that subscribe button. Please, guys, do it. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you gotta do is search for my name. It's AAZAN Udin. UDDIN Udin. Udin. Okay, now bye bye.